Welcome to Amicikart. This is the mighty TK700 rechargeable LED flashlight from Amicivision. It's equipped with high-intensity CREE LED, and unlike some other torches in the market, the Amicivision TK700 has a premium metal body construction which is sturdy, water-resistant, anti-abrasive and has a firm grip to it. It has a very high-intensity adjustable spot and throw with zoom function. Which is very useful for our various everyday scenarios and particularly helpful for the adventure seekers who love camping, mountaineering and other adventure activities in low light. There are 5 carefully thought after modes to help you in the dark. Mode 1. Full brightness. In this mode, it uses the full power of the battery and has the maximum throw and illumination. However, this also consumes more battery and sometimes it will overheat. Mode 2. Medium brightness. This is the best mode as it serves the purpose. However, doesn't take a toll on the battery and heats lesser. Low brightness mode or mode 3. Particularly useful as a fill light or when the battery goes on the lower side. Strobe mode. This is primarily used as a defensive measure against potential threats and also acts as a secondary light signal. SOS mode. In this mode, SOS signals can be issued using Morse code. This means illumination produces an SOS in Morse code language. You may either use the rechargeable battery supplied along with, or you may also use 3 AAA batteries. And we want our clients to be happy, and thus it's covered under a 1-year warranty. So wait no more. Order one today from amicikart.com, amazon.in or flipkart.com.